How many feet are in 1 mile? 5,280. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. How many stars are on the flag of the USA? 50. Which direction does the sun set? West. Which continent is the country Egypt mostly in? Africa. What is the main function of the kidneys? Filter blood. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Jupiter. How many minutes are in 1 full hour? 60. Which fruit is a very good source of vitamin C? Orange. Which type of software protects a computer from viruses? Antivirus. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? China. Which sea animal is known for its long memory? Dolphin. Which country is famous for its delicious pizza? Italy. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which gas do humans need to breathe to live? Oxygen. Which country is the world's most populous? India. Which animal is known to have 9 lives? Cat. Which food is made by heating milk and adding acid? Cheese. What is the main ingredient in the bread called naan? Wheat flour. What is the term for a sudden drop in blood sugar? Hypoglycemia. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? Saturn. What is the plural form of the word foot? Feet. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe. How many colors are on the flag of Germany? Three. Which famous tower is located in Paris, France? Eiffel Tower. What is the currency of South Korea? Won. What is the name of the green substance in plants? Chlorophyll. Which natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale? Earthquake. Which organ in the body is mainly responsible for breathing? Lungs.
Which country is famous for inventing the computer? United States. Which part of the ear helps us keep our balance? Inner ear. Which country is the country of origin for the sport of badminton? India. What does the acronym RAM stand for in computing? Random access memory. What is the capital of the country Thailand? Bangkok. Which tree is a symbol of Christmas? Pine. Which organ pumps blood to the whole body? Heart. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Which planet is known for its great red spot? Jupiter. Which mineral is important for strong bones and teeth? Calcium. What is the name of the deepest point in the ocean? Mariana Trench. In which country is Mount Fuji located? Japan. What is the official language of Mexico? Spanish. Which animal is known as the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which planet is located between Mars and Jupiter? Asteroid belt. What is 10 multiplied by 10? $100. What is the study of stars, planets, and space called? Astronomy. What is the name of the biggest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.